My brother is going to pass between these two trucks, but George the green anaconda snake in the extra truck wants to change lanes.
What the fuck? What the bloody hell was that? Stupid truck. Holy fucking heavens! That was so close!
If it weren't for the container truck moving over to the right to save my brother and his car from getting into a near fatal crash, I don't know if my brother would be here or he will be in hospital, and I could guarantee to predict that my brother's car could be totaled at this point due to the nature of this near collision. As for passing between semi-trucks, I would not recommend to do that kind of maneuver for safety reasons. This concludes for this video. Click on the bell, like, comment, subscribe, share, and be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.